Today I am sharing part 2 of our family room makeover, but first I want to give you guys a sincere thank you for all of your beautiful comments and your patience for waiting on me to finish it. It was a lot of work, but it was so worth it. Before I reveal the foyer, I want to take you back to some of the looks through the years. My tastes always evolve at any given moment, and with that being said, we carried the millwork around the entire family room, even up to the front door, because the space is open and I wanted a continuous look throughout. My decor and furniture pieces stay the same. I gave this chest a makeover using chalk paint. It took me no time to paint it and I saved money. It took me a long time to find the perfect piece for this wall because it's in the entryway and I wanted room for everyone to come through. There was no way I was going to get rid of this piece. For my new followers, the mirror is over 10 years old, but I've seen the exact same one at home stores. The ginger jar is from Z Gallery, and I will link something similar down below. And again, my favorite fall pumpkins for this year. Elevate your tabletop. Every year for the holidays or any gathering, I love to greet my guests with cocktails. I placed this tray that I had for years and placed these beautiful toasting flutes that you can get from Z Gallery. Then for some soft ambient lighting, I added 2 of these crystal candle holders that I got after Christmas for $3 each. And then I added this candle votive you've seen earlier. It's not food safe, but you can certainly add wrapped mints or candies or place real opal flowers inside them. Another option for you if you have house guests that do not drink. You can put candy inside these beautiful glass jars. I got these jars from Home Goods for $16.99. They will look wonderful anywhere in your home. The flower detail on the lid is so beautiful, especially when the light hits it. Down this small hall is where we come in from the garage through the laundry room into the house daily. And earlier this year we updated our laundry room door for this one. I love the clean lines of it and it allows more light to come in when you're doing your laundry. I brought a little safari chic into the foyer by adding the 6x9 hand-tufted wool rug with a zebra print design. It has the same gray and creamy color that's on our family room rug and it's just a different print and it's thick and cozy. Home Goods had this glitter wall art for $25. It adds to just the right amount of sparkle and texture into the foyer, and we also gave the front door a refresh by painting it white to carry the clean, fresh look throughout. As far as decor, I'm still not finished with this little area. I want to add a new bench in case guests want to sit and take their shoes off. I'm also on the hunt to find a new chandelier for this area and for my family room. In both areas, the ceilings are 20 feet high, so I want to get both of them done at the same time to save money. So be on the lookout for that update. We are also coming into the Christmas season very soon, and I will be putting out a ton of Christmas decor videos so you guys can get what you need ahead of time. Thanks again, you guys, for the love and support. May God bless you, and I want to thank you all for watching.